Yes, I think it's very important to have a diverse portfolio of brands and segments. Our company at Innisfree is focused primarily on beachfront properties, and in those beach markets we try to vertically integrate both brands and segments so we can capture all the different price points. When you diversify by brand, that puts you in a position to capture customers who may have different needs or are looking for different types of amenities. And when you segmentize those by brand, then you can diversify your price points. And by doing that, then you can shift and control the price point measurements as the seasons go on.
I think from a segmentation perspective, Noble's very much focused on the premium select service and extended stay segment. So given where that defined, we tend to not really make segmentation too much of a priority for us. Our investment strategy is really more market-based in trying to enter markets that have high demand generators that are durable. I think diversity amongst the brands creates opportunities for us in a lot of those urban city center locations that previously we may not have been able to get into. So diversification does have its advantages. I think when we find those opportunities, we capitalize on them. But we're very much market focused on how we invest.
For our company, we're a national management company and ownership group. It's very important for us to diversify out of what market segmentation and what classification of customer we're going to service and hit those needs for. So for us, we're not particular on a specific brand or a specific classification of hotel. We want to be able to be flexible to reach all of our customers, and that's national, not in a specific market, but in every market, and everything is different.
We do a little bit of everything. We'll do extended stay, select service, full service, lifestyle. And many a times nowadays what we'll do is either dual brand these hotels or buy a little larger swath of land and put multiple either brands or multiple segments in one area so we can really diversify the type of clientele that we're pulling into these hotels as well. So for us, I believe that having a diverse segment pool is very important.
Absolutely. We've been very fortunate that we have a diverse portfolio currently. And the main thing that we're seeing from that is we're really able to focus in on all of our successes, our losses, etc., to be able to diversify. We're also noticing that a lot of our investors are kind of looking to spread out a little bit more. For them, their main goal is always a strong return. But as the economy changes and the needs change and the guests' needs change as well, it's extremely important to diversify.
Yeah, I think having a diverse grouping of brands and segments of hotels is really important for a portfolio of hotels. I think reason being is, one is an offering, especially when you're in multiple cities. For us in particular, we operate our hotels as well. And so for those assets, it becomes important for us to have different offerings for a consumer. So from a perspective of meeting different needs for the consumers that are coming in.
That's a great question. I think it's important, but not critical. I think the select service model has proven itself to be the most cost-effective to operate in and the most cost-effective to build in. I think more importantly, though, is to have diversification across different markets. So if you do have a market pullback, it's not critical and it's not detrimental to your entire portfolio. So I think more importantly is to have diversification across different markets.